Hi, hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Belle, and today I had no direction with this video, like most days, but I went ahead and just did this blue, pink, teal eye look. I have no idea what to call it. Honestly, it gives me kind of like space vibes. Is that stupid? Like galaxy vibes, but not really. It's like the technique is very soft, light-handed, but powerful. I think you know what I mean. So enjoy the video, go ahead and subscribe before you keep on watching, and enjoy me. That's a given. Oh my god, let me talk about what I'm doing. Hi! Can you believe I tried to go for a everyday makeup look today, and I ended up with this. So obviously halfway through, I was like, F that, I never do that. I'm dipping into a couple of palettes, I'm sorry, but I think in total I'm using 4. I'm only using one shade from this palette, and it's just this lace color right here. I wanted something lilac-y pastel purple, what I'm using as my transition color. So I'm really just gonna blow this out. I'm not gonna go too high, like I don't wanna go too close to my brow, but I do wanna match this point up with like the end of my brow. I want like a very lifted look. I direct this in ever so slightly. Huda can fall off now, we're done with that. With a Morphe M57 3 brush, I'm gonna dip into Blue Blood from Jeffree's Blue Blood palette. With this color, I stayed just on the lid. The crease was kind of my cutoff. I could touch the crease, but I could not go past her, okay? And I think I brought that in like about halfway, a little bit past halfway. This is what I did on the end. Like that's how controlled. Should we zoom in? Sorry. See right there how when I open my eyes, like right where my crease is. I have like 3 creases, I don't know why. That little last like crease in my eyes. I almost want to make it obvious that this blue shade stops right there and that you just get that purple on the outside. And we're gonna clean that up anyways just to keep that super sharp. So like it'll be like that. But now I want to have like the lightest touch, so I'm holding like the very end of my brush and just kind of very fast like windshield wiper motions in the crease. I went in with a Sephora brush. It's just a precision point blending. I don't think it has a number. I went into a Blue Monday. I use this brush honestly because the bristles, they're very fine. Same thing, but keep it a little bit closer to my lash line. I just want to darken this up. We don't want this light of blue. Maybe I just went back and forth. I think that's what I did. So I think I laid down that very bright blue and then just went back and forth with Blue Blood and Blue Monday. I f***ing hope so. I forgot. Oh my god, now I really started like mixing the two and just kept going. I think it's fine, you know? Like now I'm gonna go back into our original M513 and dip back into lace, dunk my whole brush in this, tap it off a little bit, and then I'm gonna kind of like smoke that out a lot more and make sure that that's like up there and showing. I think on the end I kind of dragged it out a little too much, so I'm gonna drag it down. That way the pink is the only thing that like blends up. I did this very pretty, is it like aquamarine? So I put this right in my inner corner. I kind of stopped halfway of my lid, like right there. I don't know if it's just me or what it was, but when I did this eye, I didn't like how, I guess, harsh the transition was from sparkly to, you know, just matte. And so I took this color here, D1. This is from the volume 2. So like this is the shade that we just put on our lid, and then this is the one that I'm gonna put on right next to it. So then it's just gonna kind of like marry the two worlds together. My camera died. I went ahead and did liner and mascara. I used the It Cosmetics Superhero liner. One word. Okay. I love this liner. It just dried up on me though, so we're like a little bit not vibing. I tried going for a baby wing. This is still a fairly like simple whatever kind of wing, but we're just gonna group it up with the brows and like not talk about it. Then for mascara, I used the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I wish I could tell you what mascaras are good for like lift and everything if that's all you wear. All I really care about is that they make my natural lashes dark, and that's about it. I never really care for a good mascara. I kind of want to use this lash. I think the last time I did though, it made my eyes look sad. I'll show you guys the makeup a little bit up close. Both of these eyelashes have this like wonky lash right here on the ends. It makes my eyes like droop down, I feel like. Yeah, I'm gonna use Evil Queen. I know she's a lot to take in, but I don't mind this eyeshadow look. It's like I also don't mind that I'm covering it up completely with a lash. Same as last video. I'm sorry. I love trying like new products on camera, but I'm obsessed with this right now. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I know the NARS foundation is already really good, but this with that made my skin look flawless, bitch. My skin looked flawless after that makeup look I did last video. So again, with the Natural Radiant NARS foundation. Oh, and this is the Matchsticks Fenty Beauty and Truffle. I'm literally a creature of habit and I never change up my products, or hardly ever, honestly. Anastasia Powder. This also was like, mwah, last time I used it. It was amazing. Last video, I was really not powdering as much, but it's hot as shit now and I'm really upset about it. Laguna. I like the R10 from Morphe. Ever since this quarantine, I have been the worst at drinking water and I pride myself on drinking water. So I got an app that reminds me when to drink water. Genius. Switch things up. I used the Amrezy highlight last time and I always use it, so. This to me looks like so much more dull. I'm 5'10". Let's see. What am I feeling today? What do you guys think? What would be cute with this? I feel like the Amrezy is like a mix of these two almost, mainly like that one. Like, where is it? I'm doing like my entire makeup routine so backwards right now. I completely missed blush. Milani Blossomite. Oh my god, I keep saying Blossomite and it's Blossom Time. Okay, so we're back to the eyes. I want to go ahead and finish up that lower lash line, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use Blue Monday. Put this super close to my lower lash line. I just want it to be really tight against my eyes. I don't want to blow it out too much. Into that D1 color right here, and I'm just gonna put that on top everywhere. I want like a bone color for the inner corner. I can't tell if I like the lip. I'm gonna go ahead and change out of my pajamas. Put bottom mascara on, don't forget her. I don't know. Maybe it's the hair. Alright, bye. I'm done. Okay, you guys, this is it. I went through so many lipped colors. I think I ended up using a mixture of the KKW Nude 3.5, a mixture of ABH Gloss in Toffee. I originally had this on my lips, and this is what made them really dark. So this is the KKW liner, Nude 3. I don't know, I ended up with this, so this is what you're getting. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more because I will be posting a little more. I hope you guys like this look. I'm about to go eat some pupusas and destroy this entire lip that I stressed so much over. I really wish I could copy and paste the brows from last video to now because these aren't doing it for me. So if you want to see cuter brows, go look at my last video. Also, subscribe so you can stay tuned for my next video. Look at that.